The Dash Coding Robot for Kids by Wonder Workshop is a unique educational tool that encourages children aged 6 and above to learn coding through fun and interactive activities. This voice-activated robot can respond to commands, sing, draw, and move around, offering a creative and engaging way to learn about loops, events, conditions, and sequences. With its ability to transform into different forms using Lego bricks, Dash provides endless possibilities for imaginative play and learning. The product comes with 5 free downloadable apps that further enhance the user experience, allowing children to learn coding concepts such as sequencing, events, loops, algorithms, operations, and variables. Dash is designed to provide up to 5 hours of active play and up to 30 days of standby time thanks to its rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This product not only serves as an educational tool, but also a companion, with its thoughtful design and approachable personality, making it a perfect gift for children aged 6 to 11.